All right, hello. Welcome to another update of Fat Boy's Garden. I have gone in and I've condensed my summer garden down to just these few plants. I pulled everything else up. Looks like I'm still getting peppers. This one here wasn't getting any water. I don't know why. I guess it wasn't in the path for the rest of them to get any water. But I'm still getting my jalapeno peppers and I'm still getting my banana peppers. Still ain't got very many sweet peppers though. I have not got that many sweet peppers and I'm not real sure what's up with that. But anyway, I mean, they're growing. They're coming along. Okay, lots of greenery. But look at this plant. This is an Oregon Bale. I just moved this plant a couple of days ago, probably last week, and that plant has just really shot up. It is going straight towards the sun. And over here, let's see, I'm not sure what kind of bell that is, but there's a cayenne, and I've gotten a few peppers like that. Some really long ones, and then there's a couple more that are coming in. So that one is still producing. And then over here is just some of the buckets that I've emptied out. Got all of those all emptied out. I'm gonna be starting my fall garden with these over here, and this was a surprise for me. I did not think that this plant was going to do anything. As you can see, that's a habanero that I planted on April the 3rd. And this thing is just full of habanero peppers. I don't think they're ripe yet because I don't know if it was what color they're supposed to be. So I don't think it's ripe yet. And then over here is a serrano pepper. That one's full of peppers as well. So I'm finally getting some hot peppers now. I condensed here's some beans that I was just getting ready to pull up. And all of a sudden, where is it at? I saw these. And I said, wait a minute, this thing's starting to sprout. I pulled up all the rest of them. And this one's actually got beans growing on it. It's actually got beans growing on it. So I said, okay, we'll leave it sit. And then over here is my okra. It's still doing well. I pulled this other okra up off the hill up there. So that's starting to get a few okra plants growing. And this eggplant, I have never grown eggplant like this before. But I have gotten so much eggplant this year. So much eggplant. Over here, this said there was a green pepper plant. But those are like hot peppers to me. So I don't know what they're gonna be. I pulled up my carrots, as you can see. Then down there's my basil plant. And this one here is my green peppers. It's got a few peppers on it. And so this is just what's left. That's all that's left of my summer garden. So I'm gonna be making room for my fall garden here soon. This is TJ, Fat Boy's Garden. We'll see you next time.